In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract in Coda, your all-in-one collaborative workspace. Whether you're managing finances or simply organizing data, knowing how to perform basic arithmetic can be a real game changer. We'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand how to efficiently carry out subtraction in Coda. To begin, go to Coda's website, where you'll embark on this journey of simplifying data handling. Coda is a powerful platform that consolidates your work into one interactive space, making collaboration and data management a breeze. Once you're on the website, the next step is to click on Get Started. This is where you'll initiate the process to begin using Coda's tools. Once you're prompted to sign up or log in, choose the Google option. Using Google's login feature makes the process seamless, especially if you use Google for other services. A quick click will take you to a selection of your Google accounts, where you can choose the account you wish to link with Coda. Selecting your Google account here ensures that all your documents and actions are saved and easily accessible, streamlining your workflow. Next, open your document within Coda. This could be a previously created doc or a new one where you're beginning to organize and analyze data. With your document open, look at the section where you'd like the results of your subtraction to appear. Select the specific column or cell and press the equals key on your keyboard. This equal sign is essential in starting a calculation, much like formulas in Excel or Google Sheets, and signals to Coda that you're about to input a formula. Now click on the field or section marked Earnings, or whichever label denotes the amount you wish to subtract from. Identifying the correct cell or row is crucial as it acts as the base figure from which another number will be subtracted. Once you've selected your initial value, it's time to introduce subtraction into the equation. Simply type in the minus symbol, which tells Coda to perform a subtraction operation. After typing the minus symbol, you'll need to specify the value you're subtracting. Click on Expenses, or the relevant column with the amount you wish to subtract. This action completes your subtraction formula by defining both the value you're subtracting and from which main figure. Your setup is nearly complete. Finally, to execute the subtraction command, just hit Enter on your keyboard. This action tells Coda to calculate the results based on the formula you entered. Instantly, Coda will present the final result in the cell or column you initially selected, showing you the difference between your two chosen amounts. This straightforward and effective method enhances your ability to manage and interpret data effortlessly within your collaborative workspace. And there you have it, subtraction in Coda made simple. With these steps, you're now equipped to handle basic arithmetic operations within your documents, optimizing your data management capabilities in Coda. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.